This shade is really क्या है वो word? यार main time पे वो word भी याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and I know after so many days I am uploading this video. Well, I was really busy with something going on in my house, so without any further ado, I wanted to share with you all a chota sa haul. I just purchased a few things from Sugar. I want to do a one brand makeup look, and I just realized that I have eyebrow definer, I have the eyeshadows, I have blush, highlighter, and lipsticks as well. Just I don't have foundation. Just to buy the foundation, I had to buy 4 products from Sugar. So आपके साथ ऐसा होता है कि आप एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए खरीदने जाते हो और लेते हो 4-5 प्रोडक्ट्स? Let me know in the comment section and I will be happy to read it कि आप लोग भी मेरे जैसा हो. Sugar actually is just 4 products, but I thought just do a first impression kind of review. So everything is new. So this is the box it comes, and they have a separate Sugar cosmetic app per se, and just need to buy from there. The thing is, I wanted to buy a foundation. I didn't have a foundation, so there is this foundation and 2 lipsticks which I will be sharing you all the shade. First thing is the foundation, and this is in stick form. Just recently I saw Huda Beauty also launched stick format the foundation. So Sugar Cosmetic already had it, so I thought I already cream and the liquid form, so कुछ नया stick form भी try करते हैं. So this is Ace of Face foundation stick, and they have 22 shades. I don't have all 22, otherwise I would have swatched. I took in the shade 32, that is Cortado. मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया, हर एक शेड के अंदर एक मॉडल ने स्वॉच किया है, सो आई जस्ट चेक वेदर दैट पर्सन इज माई स्किन टोन. और ये बहुत रिस्क लिया है. आई वॉज कन्फ्यूज विद 2-3 शेड्स because 2-3 models were almost like my skin tone. फिर उसके बाद I just had to take any one, और I don't think so return policy भी है भी यहाँ पे. तो फिर भी ये मैच हो गया है. So this is in the form stick form and in the shade 32. तो पैकेजिंग पे भी 32 लिखा है, and it comes in this form, and the price of this is 999, that is almost 1000 rupees. तो मुझे कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला जब मैंने ये लिया. So it comes in this form. एक तरफ है ब्रश. I have not yet used it, but I just swatched the foundation to see whether it matches. So एक साइड है, so you just need to turn. It's retractable. Turn like this and the product comes out, and turn back again the product goes inside. So best part is that कि वो अंदर भी जाता है. नहीं तो कोई ऐसे स्टिक्स होते हैं ना जो बाहर निकलते हैं मगर अंदर नहीं जाता है. So ये अंदर भी जाता है. So let's see. I think there's my hair. So let's see whether how it works. Wow, it's very pigmented. बहुत ही creamy है. So normally I use my brush for foundation. I'm using my beauty blender. मैं थोड़ा करके लगाती हूँ. I think I must try their brush, right? Oh, the brush is also nice. And especially ये जो square है ना, आराम से दब रहा है फाउंडेशन को. And it's very smooth. It's very soft. Can even do under eyes nicely. Okay, so it doesn't dry up quickly. Okay, so I had put dots here, तो ये सूखा नहीं है, आराम से अभी तक ब्रश से निकल रहा है. So I think this is medium coverage, high coverage नहीं है, and मगर ये blendable है. You can apply a second layer, and I think this will definitely go high coverage. The handy sticky blurs away, enlarges pores, fine lines, dark circles, blemishes and more. Everything. Cortado is medium shade with golden undertone, brings out the diva in you. So if you have a golden undertone, then Cortado is a perfect, so I chose Cortado. And the net weight of this product is 12 grams, 1000 rupees. And yes, it's full coverage and waterproof formula, so that means this is waterproof and it hides imperfection and doesn't blurs, doesn't budge with water. 12-hour long wear stay power. Okay, so you 12 hours. I think that's the reason it's quite thick consistency, so you need to apply with your brush. With this brush only, I would say it's very nice. It doesn't dry, so it glides and आराम से brush से हो जा रहा था. So it have 22 shades and 12-hour long wear, so अच्छा है, 12 hours तक it stays. So that's the perfect shade, I think so. So if in case you're my skin tone, then 32 will be the perfect size for you. And I like this, they gave a brush as well, so it's very nice to travel. So if in case you're traveling for one day or a week, you can definitely put this in your clutch or sling bag as well. So it's very nice, packaging. The next two I took is lipsticks. And this lipstick I wanted to try is Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipsticks in the shade 04 and 07. So I will show 07 first. 07 is Peachwood Mac. It is like this and it just looks like a pen, and it's a mauvey nude shade. मुझे लगा था ये थोड़ा डार्क होगा शेड, मगर ये mauvey निकला. सी फोटो में तो डार्क दिख रहा है, but it is not that dark. I don't know what to say. पता नहीं मैंने ये क्यों शेड लिया है. This is the first time I'm applying and
this shade is really क्या है वो word? यार main time पे वो word ही याद नहीं आ रहा.
Oh, I don't know. This really washes me off. Yes, that's the exact word. Washes me off. I think मगर पता नहीं वीडियो पे कैसा लग रहा है. Let's take a picture and see whether photos में ये nude लगता है या नहीं. So this photo I will be adding in the video. So I think photos में बुरा नहीं लग रहा है. It's just looking like my lip color. They have 10 shades of this Matte Attack Transfer Proof. I don't have all the shades, otherwise I would have definitely swatched you all and shared you all the lip swatches. But I just have two. 07 and 04. Okay, so price of this is 699 rupees. You get 2 grams of product in this. So yes, and I'll just show you the packaging. Did I show? It comes retractable. So इतना सारा, I think बहुत सारा ये. Okay, that's it. Stop हो गया. So इतना सारा product है and it is retractable, so it goes आराम से inside और ढक्कन भी है. So this is very nice and cute. This looks like a velvety feeling. इसमें है jojoba oil which reduces fine lines and wrinkles, nourishes, and so it nourishes your lips. Water resistant formula. Yes, definitely I can feel ये water resistant even after washing our face. I don't think so. अभी तो ये फाउंडेशन भी नहीं जाएगा, लिपस्टिक भी नहीं जाएगा. So it simply puts it's a waterproof lipstick, rich capacity, highly pigmented, cruelty free formula. So clearly दिखता है. It's a pretty shade. So I'll just remove this and I'll be back. Swatch 04 pretty shade. Wow, I really loved it. चलो एक सेल्फी लेते हैं. So I really love this shade and it's really going nice on my skin tone. ये it's proper maroon shade. I really love this shade. So this is going to be my favorite और ये फोटो मैं वीडियो में ऐड कर दूंगी. This is a new one which I took. Force Face Palette. They have 2 options in shades. I took the first one and the shade is like this. There's this blush, there's this highlighter, and then this is contour. ये दिखेगा. It's difficult. It's not very pigmented. मैंने यहाँ पे blush लगाया है, यहाँ पे contour लगाया है, and highlighter is here. 2 महीना हुआ है. This is the mini highlighter which is just like 2 months, और वो doesn't come out at all. ये जैसे कि see, there is no pigment at all. ये सूख गया है सिर्फ 2 months. So I am really disappointed with the mini thing. So I just hope this palette works for a long time. I have heard a lot of good things about this palette. Many bloggers already have this palette which is having their 3 shades together. I'm just having lots of hope on this because many highlighter wo fus ho gaya tha. So let me know if you have tried this and whether it's working for you guys or no. So I think all 4 shades and my reviews are done. So if in case you have used any of these products and if you have your own opinion, please let me know in the comment section. Did I tell you all the price? The price of this is 799 rupees. It's very nice price for 3 things. You get a contour, blush and highlighter. जैसा मैं use करूँगी, after a month or 2 I will share you all more reviews about this in my Instagram stories. So if in case you're not following me on my Instagram, please do follow me. My ID is just chill with Pam. I will share all the details here on the screen, and all the products the links I will be sharing in my description box. If in case you're interested to buy, please check my description box, and there are some more coupon codes which are available if you're looking to save some money. So there are some good deals going on Nykaa as well. I will share all the links in my description box. Please do check that out. Those are affiliate links. If you buy from my links, I will earn some commission. So follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and please share and forward all my videos to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Share on your WhatsApp status for a day. It will definitely mean a lot. And अगर अभी तक आपने subscribe नहीं किया है, so please subscribe my channel. Let my channel grow, guys, so that I can get more amazing videos, and that will really motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.